Hey there, Striverz. Welcome back to another exciting episode on our channel, where we help you conquer the online money-making world. Today, we have a battle on our hands. Dropshipping versus affiliate marketing. Which one will reign supreme? Which one is best for you? Stick around to find out. But before we dive into this epic showdown, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Striverz Money for more amazing content that will change your financial game. Now, let's get ready to rumble. Picture this. You're sitting on your couch, sipping your favorite beverage and watching your bank account grow as you make money online. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, two popular online business models can make this dream a reality: dropshipping and affiliate marketing. But which one should you choose? In today's video, we'll break down the pros and cons of each and help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Number 1. What is dropshipping? First, let's talk about dropshipping. In a nutshell, dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you, as the store owner, don't hold any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you forward the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This way, you never have to touch the product, and you make a profit from the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price. Number 2. What is affiliate marketing? Now, let's discuss affiliate marketing. In this business model, you promote other people's products through your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. When someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Essentially, you act as a middleman between the product owner and the customer. Number 3. Dropshipping pros and cons. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the pros and cons of dropshipping. Pros: low startup cost. With dropshipping, you don't need to invest in inventory, making it an affordable option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Easy to scale. Since you don't have to worry about inventory management, you can easily scale your business by adding more products or suppliers. Control over pricing. You have the freedom to set your own prices, which means you can control your profit margins. Cons: lower profit margins. Since you're competing with other dropshippers, you may need to keep your prices low to attract customers, which can result in lower profit margins. Inventory issues. Since you don't control the inventory, your supplier may run out of stock or discontinue a product, which can cause issues with fulfilling orders. Customer service challenges. Handling returns and dealing with unhappy customers can be tricky, since you're not the one shipping the products. 4. Affiliate marketing pros and cons. Now, let's explore the pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Pros: low startup cost. Just like dropshipping, affiliate marketing has a low barrier to entry, as you don't need to invest in inventory or shipping. Passive income potential. Once you create valuable content and build an audience, you can earn passive income from your affiliate links. Wide range of products. You can choose from a vast selection of products to promote, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your niche and audience. Cons: no control over products. Since you're promoting someone else's products, you have no control over their quality or availability. Smaller commissions. Depending on the products and affiliate programs, you might earn lower commissions compared to the profit margins in dropshipping. Building an audience. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to create valuable content and attract a loyal audience, which can take time and effort. 5. Comparing dropshipping and affiliate marketing. Now that we've covered the pros and cons, let's compare dropshipping and affiliate marketing side by side. Income potential. Both business models have the potential to generate significant income. However, dropshipping may offer higher profit margins if you can find the right products and suppliers, while affiliate marketing relies on earning commissions. Time commitment. Dropshipping typically requires more time to manage orders, customer service, and supplier relationships. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, requires an initial time investment to create content and build an audience, but it can eventually become a more passive income stream. Risk. Both business models have their risks. With dropshipping, you face the challenges of inventory management and customer service. With affiliate marketing, there's the risk of promoting low-quality products or dealing with unreliable affiliate programs. So, which one should you choose? The answer depends on your personal preferences and goals. If you're interested in running an online store and enjoy the idea of managing a business, dropshipping may be the better option for you. If you prefer creating content and building an audience, and you're looking for a more passive income stream, affiliate marketing could be your best bet. No matter which path you choose, remember that success in either business model requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. We've broken down the battle between dropshipping and affiliate marketing, and now it's up to you to choose the winner. Remember, both options have their pros and cons, and the best choice depends on your individual preferences and goals. So, are you team dropshipping or team affiliate marketing? Let us know in the comments below. Now it's your time to take action, and check out the related links in the description, and make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.